Hi, my name is Debra R. Richardson of Debra R. Richardson LLC, and I work with you to help you clean up your vendor data, clean up your vendor processes so that you can pay the right vendor. Now, this week's Vendor Master File tip of the week is one of my new scam alerts, and it's called the Beware of Fake GPT Sites. Now, if you are not aware, I post new scam alerts 2 to 3 times per week. And if you'd like to sign up to be notified when I post them, I will have that link in the description. So make sure you check that out. But this particular new scam alert was posted, I think this week or late last week. So let's check it out. All right, so Dark Reading reported that 1 in 25 AI chat GPT domains were malicious. And that's a lot because between the months of January and April, so the first 4 months of 2023, there were over 13,000 AI slash chat GPT domains registered, and that means there are over 500 malicious domains. And here is just a sample of those, right? And so the key is that some of them, while some of them will pretend to be actual Chat GPT, that site, other ones just they purport to be services related to Chat GPT. So they don't try to fake the original site. They try to fake services related to that site. And one example is here, the Chat GPT detectors. And so if you click through to that site, it purports to have services related to detecting when something has been written via Chat GPT. So make sure that you are either on the actual Chat GPT site if that's what you want, and I do have the link below. And then if you're using other related services, be really careful about those because those can they can cause you to download malicious files, and so you don't want to introduce malicious files on your work computer, actually not on your personal one either, but definitely not on your work computer. And then you also, let's say you landed on a chat, what you thought was the original Chat GPT site, and it's not. And then you start submitting questions that are really sensitive. And so now a fraudster or fake site has that sensitive information about your company. And so you do want to be extra careful for when you're trying to go to the actual Chat GPT site, or whether you're trying to use the lots of, and over on YouTube you see there are a lot of suggestions of these different service related sites or service sites related to ChatGPT. You want to be real careful with using those because it may be a fake site, and make sure if you are using one of those you're not downloading files, and then also make sure you're not submitting as questions any sensitive information from your company or from your vendors. And you shouldn't do that anyway because these sites, even ChatGPT, the original one, will use that information to learn from it and could perhaps provide it to someone else depending on what they ask. So anyway, that's one of the new scam alerts that I posted. If you'd like to hear all about and learn from the new scam alerts that I post on a monthly basis, make sure you sign up for the Vendor Team Live training, frauds and new scam alerts, plus how to prevent them. I do this the last Thursday of every month. And for 2023, if you pay for 1 month, you can attend every month. So make sure you sign up for that, and I will put a link to that in the show notes. All right, so if you would like more information on how to improve your vendor process, go to my website at deborarrichardson.com for free tools and resources to avoid fraud, fines, and bad vendor data. Now, if you would like over 149 annual hours of training for your team, check out the Vendor Process Training Center at training.deborarrichardson.com. So good luck and be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified next Tuesday for the next Vendor Master File tip of the week.